everyone, I welcome you all in the online session. In the previous online class, we learnt about life cycle of egg-laying animals. In today's online class, we will learn about animals that give birth to young ones. Some animals do not lay eggs. Animals like tigers, cow, elephant, cat, goat reproduce by giving birth to young ones that feed on their mother's milk. Reproduce means the ability to produce more of their own kind. Now let's learn few characteristics of mammals. First, mammals have well-developed brains. Second, most mammals have hair on their body. For example, human beings along with dog, cat, lion, elephant, deer, cow, buffalo, hippopotamus, zebra, giraffe, monkey and rabbit are some examples of mammals. Whales and dolphins are mammals found in water, but they do not have hair on their body. Some mammals such as duck-billed platypus and spiny anteater do not give birth to babies. They lay eggs instead. Most mammals live on land and breathe through lungs. Do you know how a whale or a dolphin breathes? Whale and dolphins also breathe through lungs. They take in air through blowholes present on the top of their heads. You can see in the video. Hence, they have to come to the surface of water frequently to breathe in air. Animals look after their young ones. Just as our parents look after us, all other mammals look after their babies. Most of them build houses to protect their babies from enemies and also hunt for food. The mother feeds her babies her own milk. She cleans them and keeps them warm. Birds too look after their babies. They build nests to keep them warm. Since the chicks cannot fly, parent birds get food for their chicks and also protect them from any danger. So today we learned about animals that give birth to young ones. Now I will tell you about a man named Isaac David Khemikar, who is also known as the Butterfly Man of India. He has spent a lifetime studying butterflies and nature. He has written many books on butterflies, which includes the bestseller The Book of Indian Butterflies, published by Bombay Natural History Society. On 18th of November 2016, he released his book titled Butterflies of India. Isaac David Khemikar has won many awards for his work. He is working to popularize the concept of butterfly gardens to enable butterflies and moths to live in cities. He was born and brought up in a Marathi-speaking Jew family. Now, let's discuss word meanings given in this chapter. First is reproduction. Reproduction means the ability to produce more of their own kind. Second is life cycle. Life cycle means various stages of development of a living being from an embryo to a mature adult is called the life cycle. Third, caterpillar. Larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Fourth, metamorphosis. A complete change from a young form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. Fifth, molting. The process of shedding the old skin is called molting. Sixth, incubation. The habit of some animals to sit on their eggs to keep the eggs warm is called incubation. Note down these definitions in your science copy.